Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to connect Instagram to Facebook. So if you want to connect your Instagram to Facebook to share the same experience on both platforms, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to connect Instagram to Facebook, all you need to do is go ahead and open your Instagram account. Once you open the Instagram account, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Once you selected that, go ahead and click on menu at the top right. Then locate and click on account center. Under Account Center, locate and click on Profiles. Once you selected Profiles, you see your Instagram profile, then click on Add Account. Once you selected Add Account, you that says select the account you want to add. So in this case, I want to add my Facebook account to my Instagram to connect both accounts. So click on Add Facebook Account. Once you click on Add Facebook Account, you see to enable connected experience, add this account to the same account center. Then if you already added your Facebook account to your Instagram account before, or you are logged in on your Facebook account, it should say this interface. Otherwise, go ahead, sign in with your Facebook account details and then click on continue. Then go ahead and click on allow and finish adding. Now once you click on allow and finish adding, this is going to go ahead and connect your Instagram account and then Facebook account together. So you may need to hang on for a couple of seconds, and after that you see your Instagram and then your Facebook account connected together, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to connect Instagram to Facebook. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.